So now let's move on to some other hormones that regulate hunger and satiety, in particular insulin. Now, you've probably heard of insulin before. Insulin is the thing that's lacking in type 1 diabetics. That's why they have to inject insulin whenever they eat. The reason they have to do that is because when they eat, their foods are broken down into glucose. And in order to shuttle glucose to the appropriate tissues in the body and also to keep glucose levels in check, you need insulin. So the simplest way to think about insulin and glucose is that when you eat, that food is broken down into sugars. That's true whether or not it's fats or it's sugars or eventually if it's proteins. They are oxidized into fuels, as we say. Your blood sugar needs to be kept in a particular range. Hypoglycemic means too low. Hyperglycemic means too high. And what they called euglycemic, EU glycemic, is the healthy range. Now, what those healthy ranges are, in general, the healthy range, the euglycemic range, is about 70 to 100 nanograms per deciliter. Why is it important that glucose be kept at a particular level? Once you understand that, keeping glucose in check starts to have a rationale behind it, and the ways to do that start to make a lot more sense.